money is power, and the more we understand it, the more strong and independent female entrepreneurs can we actually turn out to be.
As millennials, Tanya, we have learned financial literacy the hard way. Many people get into jobs knowing the concept of yes, we have to earn money, but not everyone knows about tracking money and saving money. My first mistake was whenever money used to get credited in my account, within weeks, I used to spend it very impulsively on lifestyle spending, shopping, outings, travel, without putting a thought to it.
As a young female entrepreneur, when I started out, I really had no clue about how money actually works when it comes down to
Hmm.
business. Be it paying the salaries on time, paying taxes on time, paying your
Yeah.
GST on time, all of these things were just so unknown to me. Suddenly, money was not just about, your personal expenses,
Hmm.
it had become about the survival of the business. And I realized that the more questions I had about money, the more it intimidated me. But
Hmm.
all I had to do was just get out there and get the knowledge of actually making money work for me.
Yeah. Tanya, on that note, my nanny used to always tell me, save up for the rainy day. But back then, I really did not give this much enough importance, which I wish I should have. But until I realized that, one emergency expense can really drain your bank account. And that is when I started believing that no, you have to build an emergency fund for survival. It
Yes,
is
that's
not
true.
an option.
Yeah. As female entrepreneur
Hmm.
Shreya, we are not taught much about money.
Hmm.
I had to learn to negotiate with people. When it came down to funds, it was very difficult for me to track them until I did not have the knowledge of where what went where.
How do we improve this entire situation? Firstly, let's start with tracking our expenses. Secondly, building an emergency buffer. And thirdly, most importantly, let's get versed with the basics
Yeah.
of finance, money, taxing, credits, investments. And let's just not rely very blindly on, our CA or an accountant.
And most importantly, don't shy away from asking questions revolving around money. Be it your debt, be it investments, be it the salaries you have to pay your employees, or rather just any money that's coming into your account, ask those questions. The more women normalize asking these questions, the more easier it is for us to become independent, financially independent.